Welcome to basic training, comrades. If you wish to survive, you will do exactly as I say. Now, walk over to that table and pick up those weapons. You will have to move faster than that, comrade. You will need a real weapon if you wish to kill the fascists. Look at your compass. The star on the compass shows the location of your current objective. Now, go to the storeroom and get a pistol and a rifle. Move!
Good. Now go back and report to the commissar.
Very good, comrade. Always remember to use the star on your compass to reach your current objective. Okay, Vasily. Let us see how good your aim is. Aim for one of those two teddy bears. Good, now fire at the other one. Not so good, comrade. All right, fire at one of those bears again. Pistols and submachine guns might be good for short range, comrade. But for long-range targets, a rifle is better. Step up to the shooting range. Ready, comrades? Shoot those bottles and plates. Imagine that they are the enemy. Aim down your sights, Vasily. You will be much more accurate that way. Very good, comrade. Well done. That's enough, Vasily. Now, let's see how well you can do under pressure. You have 15 seconds to shoot the helmets. Ready? Go! Good, comrade. Now come over here and bash this mannequin with your rifle. That's enough, comrades. Come over here and pick up a grenade.
These are potatoes, Comrade Commissar. Why are we using potatoes instead of real grenade?
Because real grenades are valuable. In fact, they are worth a lot more than you are.
Oh, of course, Comrade Commissar. My mistake.
Now throw a potato into each of those marked target areas. Not bad, not bad. Good throw. Not bad, not bad.
Comrade Commissar! Comrade Commissar! We've got a prisoner. Come take a look.
Vasily, come with me.
Halt! Hören Sie auf! Bitte töten Sie mich nicht! Unsere Truppen
Comrade Commissar, he says the enemy is moving behind our lines to the southeast, and they are supported by half tracks and mobile artillery. Sir, there's a German attack forming to the southeast. It looks serious.
Listen, comrades. There is an armory to the east in the basement of a house. Go there and load up on ammunition and supplies. I will stay and take care of our guest. Remember what you have learned. Good luck.
It's the fascists! Over that wall! Move it! Position! We'll throw you off in the street! Through that hole! Let's go! Single fire! Vasily first! We'll follow! German troops! Over by the half-track! We're going to take out some panzer rifles, comrades. Grab a submachine gun and make sure you reload it first. Always make sure you have a full magazine before you go to battle. Let's go, comrades! Up the ladder! Vasily, wait! Don't run out there! Throw a smoke grenade first to conceal our movement! Wait! Wait for the smoke to fade! Hold your positions, comrades! Just a bit more! All right, go! Let's go! Feindliche Infanterie! Enemy infantry! Kill those fascists! Find them down there! Brauche Deckung beim Nachladen! Kommunisten! It is a flank tank! Fire in the hole! moving! There's the Panzerwerfer! We need to find a way around this gate! German troops! On the fast floor! Outside! Stay close to me! Enemy infantry! Up on the second floor! Left side! Enemy infantry! Behind the supply crates! Up front! My God, I thought we were in training.
There is no better training, comrade, than fighting to survive.